20 years ago, Google made a deal. They would store your data. Every email, every photo, every family road trip you took, every 2 a.m. voice search you regret making. It was completely free. There was no subscription. There was no storage bill. Just hand us your digital life. We will keep it safe. Well, guess what? Last week, Google announced the feature that explains why your storage was free. It connects directly to your Gmail, your Google Photos, your Drive, and your calendar. It extracts context from your YouTube history and your search data, bypassing traditional privacy walls. This single update ships to 2 billion people. The pre-show reveal was insane. A user in a tire shop asked Gemini what size tires their car needed. The assistant did not ask for the make or the model year. It checked their Google Photos, found a vacation picture from months ago, read the license plate, and identified the car. Which means Google spent 20 years building the ultimate personal surveillance archive just to recommend tires. And somewhere, a server farm with 9,216 chips running 42.5 exaflops of compute spent its morning figuring out you need all-season Michelins.
A few moments later.
In today's video, we will break down what Gemini Intelligence is scanning and whether a line remains between a helpful assistant and surveillance. I am someone with no legal credentials, but an extremely specific amount of anxiety about what I am going to show you. Let us establish the timeline. It is May 17th, 2026, and you are watching FutureFounderHQ. Let us look at the details. The operating layer. Gemini Intelligence is a live agentic layer. It sits between you and every Google product you use, synthesizing your history before you finish speaking.
What my associate is trying to say is...
It is an operating system for your life. The tire demo. They showed us this infrastructure in practice. The system passively scans every backed up photo, searching for license plates, faces, and embedded text. Surveillance is disguised as convenience. The system builds a persistent index of personal facts. Everything is permanently indexed.
Oh, hell no!
The scale problem. This transition is happening right now. It touches 2 billion users across 200 countries and powers the intelligence layer behind Apple's next generation Siri. Here's the final picture. Developer dilemma. When you call this API, you are pulling 2 decades of your user's private history into motion. The AI is demonstrably more useful the more access it has, meaning opting out produces a measurably worse product. This is coercive architecture dressed as a settings menu. Once you are inside the intelligence layer, opting out is not a preference. It is a fundamental disruption of your entire digital life. This has been FutureFounderHQ. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.